afternoon, Rutgers. I'm Heidi Ross, and I'll be your weather watcher for this Wednesday afternoon forecast on November 11th, 2015. As we roll into Rutgers Gardens today, we can see that we are sitting at 57 degrees. Our dew point is at 55, relative humidity at 93%. That is expected to go down as we roll into this afternoon. Winds are relatively light, coming out of the northwest at 1 mile per hour, and our precipitation has been 0.29 inches within the past 24 hours. We could see that will decrease as our time continues, as much of that precipitation was from yesterday's rain. And I'd like to wish everybody a happy Veterans Day, and we will have showers tomorrow afternoon expected, maybe starting around 11, 12 o'clock, but we'll get into that later. And we'll have a sunny weekend ahead, so in our 7-day forecast extending much through Monday into Tuesday. As we look around our highs around New Jersey, we could see that Sussex is at 57 degrees, New Brunswick will reach a high of 61, Camden at 64, Millville 62, and Wildwood at 66. We could see that there is a temperature decrease or drastic change between north and south as we are deeply into autumn at this hour, so we usually see those difference in temperatures between. And much goes the same for the northwest. For the northeast, we could see that Ithaca is at 52, Mount Pocono 54, Poughkeepsie 54 as well, New York City 57, and Philadelphia 64, and Dover at 61. As we look at our current satellite radar, we can see that there are a few spotted showers here and there, maybe a few mists here and there as well, but those will be expected to roll out of the state of New Jersey later on this evening. I'd like to roll into our continental United States as we have a low pressure system sitting in the Midwest nation here, as we have snow in the western half of Nebraska and possibly snow showers ending in Denver. And on the warm side, we can see that there is precipitation, rain, much of that matter, for eastern half of Nebraska. The snowy conditions, they're expecting blizzard-like conditions with a few inches of snow. But I'd like to head back to a little bit closer to home in New Jersey here. We can see, look at our futurecast, we can see that we are dominated by cloudy conditions, if not partly cloudy, and those clouds will be mainly in our region through much of the afternoon here. And we could see that those showers will be popping up Thursday around 11 a.m. starting around, and we can see that those showers will be moving out, and they will be no longer in existence later on Thursday afternoon around 10 p.m. So those we will be drying up later into that night. As we look into our evening planner, we can see that 6 p.m. will be at 56 degrees with partly cloudy conditions, and those partly cloudy conditions expand through much of the evening with 9 p.m. at 51 and at midnight at 49 degrees. As we move further into the night, we can see that we will be at 47 degrees. Our winds are relatively calm, and we will have partly cloudy conditions continuing. As we roll into around 8 a.m., those temperatures will be rising to a high of 51, more so at 8 a.m. The winds will be slightly picking up from here on out for the winds coming out of southeast at 3 miles per hour, and chance of showers will be increasing throughout the evening as those showers will be expected. As we look at our 7-day forecast, we can see that Thursday will be a high of 60 degrees with those showers. Friday will be clearing out with sunny and windy conditions with a high of 55. And for our game against Nebraska at 3:30 on Saturday, we can see it will be a high of 51, so you'll definitely need that sweatshirt. For Sunday through Tuesday, we have beautiful sunny skies as our temperatures in the upper 50s to mid to lower 60s, so just beautiful conditions, and those clouds begin to roll back in again for mostly cloudy skies with a high of 64. I'd like everybody to please continue to watch us on RUTV, channel 23.1, every 15 minutes. Like us on Facebook.com/RUWeatherWatcher. Follow us on Twitter at RUTVWW, #RUWeather, and online at weatherwatcher.rutgers.edu. Thank you everyone for watching, and have a great afternoon.